Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2017 Kia Forte EX. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a backup camera, nice little roof spoiler, mud flaps on the rear, and front we have this nice silver accent along the vehicle as well, with turn light indicator mirrors and blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we have a nice license plate bracket, and that nice Kia grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You do get some lights in the back, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, as well as on the bed here with lower anchor latches for your car seat. Pretty handy. Pretty much more storage underneath, which is all pretty nice. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice black leathering. Carpet interior, you got floor mats, plenty of door space in the back. You do get heated back seats as well, which is pretty freaking awesome. Rear vents, and you do get your cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do get powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front with memory seating for up to 2 drivers. You got your mirrors, windows, locks, all there. Lights, traction, blind spot, and heated steering wheel all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 112,000 kilometers, 112,928 kilometers. We do get this heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, toggle for your screen, voice phone, mode, mute, channel, volume, all that jazz. And looking here, we get a digital speedometer, your music, service, settings. You can go back, range, all that jazz, trip A and B. You do get your gear select, heated front seats, drive modes, which do include sport, normal, eco, and all that fun. We have our parking brake, cup holder, storage, more storage here, 12 volts, aux, USB, and it does close. You do get a little center console here as well with a little bit of storage. Dual climate up front with your modes. You can change where the air flows, all that jazz. Storage below. Above me, we do have our features for our sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking here, you have your hazards. This system is powered by SiriusXM. You have your music, sound hound. I've never heard of that, but you know, fun. Got your setups such as display, Bluetooth, clock, voice recognition, screensaver. You can pretty much change it to how you like, which is pretty nice. You got your all menu. You have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Quick Add, SoundHound, SiriusXM, voice commands, setups, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD33955B, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.